Alright, let's discuss about multimodality and introduction, meeting 12. So, as you can see here, there are pictures of children, and we can see there are kind of multimodality that appear in these pictures. For example, like the use of person, the form, the shape of person, the shape of bat, and others things, and maybe we can identify the color, the size of the bat, and others. Okay, new ways of reading, new ways of writing. Literacy teaching and learning needs to change because the world is changing. So maybe at the past time the picture is black and white, but now the picture can be really colorful, and there will be aspects of combinations that called multimodality. Why multimodality matters? The future of reading and writing are closely interwoven with the future of digital technologies. As we can see, development of the rapid digital technologies have been spread around the world, including the latest technologies related to the metaverse that can combine the multimodal aspects in the pictures. It means that people can closely interact with others just by doing the new word. It's called metaverse. And then they can also buy lands, or maybe they can conduct a party or other things that are related to the word. Okay, children already know how much multimodal text from their home experiences. As teacher, it is our responsibility to build on these experiences and the children's knowledge of multimodality in the classroom. This means we need to recognize the relationship between different modes, text and image, sound and gesture, and the use of this in our teaching, in this case in our research. Supporting children with reading, analyzing, and using modes will enable them to develop literacy skills for today and the future. So, as we can imagine that maybe when we see the advertisement, it is still static, but in the future, maybe it is combined by a three-dimension aspect that can combination of gesture, of the color, shape, and other things that called multimodal aspects. Multimodality involves the complex interweaving of word, image, gesture, and the movement, sound, including speech. This can be combined in different ways and presented through a range of media. So there are two important aspects in multimodality. The first one is mode, sign, sound, graphic material, and printed. Media, the manner of dissemination. So maybe it can be written media, or maybe audio visual media, and other things. A traffic sign as the medium of communication, and the red border and the image inside it as the mode. As you can see, there is a no parking sign here. There will be, it is the mode related to the picture, the combination of the pictures and colors and shapes, maybe gestures, and also the symbol of the word parking, P. But in other words, on the contrary, the medium of the mode, this mode is the traffic sign. So the medium of communication, it is in the scope of the traffic sign. The medium of the communication, it can be like computer, the internet information, and the software presentations, paper-based text, picture books, magazines, novels, information books, sound and visual media, radio, television, video, CDs, and DVDs. The modes of communication, writing or printed, including typographical elements of font type, size, and shape. Images, moving and still, diagrammatic or representational. Sound, spoken word, music, gesture, and movement. So, multimodal aspects are the combinations of all aspects, can be aspects of writing, images, sound, and gesture in one mode. And the key text today, the first one, you can find out the modes of the multimodality, like storybooks, picture books, non-fiction books, pop-up, and those media or those modes can be really interactive. It means that the mode is the content and the media is the way you present the idea. Yeah, whether you want to use blogs, advertisement, newspapers, magazines, comics, poetry, songs, and other things, or game manuals. The key text today are reflection. Can you think of any other text used by pupils? Consider ways in which you have seen pupils using this text. Okay. Basically, when we talk about multimodal text, yeah, so you can analyze the variations of the text in the, not only just analyzing the text itself, but you can analyze the mode and the media where in which the text is written. Consider how each mode conveys meaning. How does this design add to the meaning? Now, this one. Your eye may have drawn initially to the images. Okay. There are also the examples. Here you can find out the examples from National Geographic Kids. What information is contained in the images? It is the question when you want to propose to analyze the multimodal text. What information is contained in the text? How does the design support understanding and add to meaning? How do the typeface, color, font size, and variety add to the information? So there are many aspects that can be considered, like font size, color, design, the information content, the images, and so on. There will be like BBC Charlie and Lola magazine, so you can find out the aspects of a certain magazine and then you can analyze by using this one. It can be your talks. Okay. Paper-based multimodal text. Reflect on the way you have seen paper-based and multimodal text used in the classroom, and then yeah. Okay, so that's the examples. Okay, so for your assignment is to find out the multimodal text examples from magazines, and then you can analyze the aspects based on the questions that we have proposed before. There are 4 questions that you can analyze, and then you can send it to me after that. Thank you. See you again.